Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious oatmeal cookies using your microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Also, have ready 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a tiny pinch of baking soda, and just 1 egg yolk. These common items are likely already in your pantry. Now let's get mixing. In a small, microwave-safe bowl, combine your softened butter and brown sugar. Stir them together until the mixture is light and creamy. Next, add in the single egg yolk and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing thoroughly. Finally, gently fold in the 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of flour, and that tiny pinch of baking soda until a cohesive dough forms. Do not overmix. It is time to shape and cook our cookies. Take small spoonfuls of your prepared dough and place them onto a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave a little space between each cookie. Gently flatten each dough ball with the back of a spoon. This helps them cook more evenly. Now, microwave your cookies for about 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking time varies, so watch them closely for doneness. Almost ready to enjoy your warm, homemade treat. Once microwaved, carefully remove the hot plate. The cookies will be very soft, so let them rest on the plate for at least 2 minutes to firm up. This cooling period is crucial for their texture. After 2 minutes, gently transfer your delicious oatmeal cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, you can savor your quick and easy microwave oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.